Guys, welcome to another vlog. In this vlog, as you guys see right here, I'm going to be opening these Pokemon cards, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I will start opening them in a second. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna start opening them up. As you guys can see, we got the jumbo one, and first of all, we have this awesome Rayquaza EX, awesome one, and we have another one that's a big one. Oh my god, guys, look at it. Now I have two of them, and they both do the same damage. See, this one does 130 damage, and it has 170 health, and this one has 130 damage and 170 health. So let's put these to the side. Here, guys, here's the code cards, as you guys can see, and start opening these packages. So I hope we get something good. First package is gonna be learning. Yeah. Okay. Start opening it up, you guys. So there we go. Okay. Here's the code card, you guys. Okay, so let's go from this one. These cards are clean. Oh, first of all, we have this. Oh, we have a Dobre in there. Yeah, this is a good card. Good card. Oh, I have one of these. It's very powerful. Oh, we have I forgot what was this thing called. Alright, that was the first package, you guys, and opening the second package here. Today's video is outside. Here's the code card. And now, let's open these Pokemon. Oh, we have a corner. Oh, we have a oh, I thought there was a Raichu. Oh, background. Okay, not bad. Second one. Open this baby up. Wait, let me open it. I can't open it. Okay, wait. So you guys, I'm actually gonna open these in another video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys did, smash that like button and subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. See you another day, guys.